In this video, we'll explore all of the settings that you can control through the Options area. To get to Options, click the Edit button in the Options group in the Website Content Management dashboard. The page will appear as shown here. Most of the options are represented as simple check marks that you either turn off or on, depending upon whether you want these features included on your website. Other entries might ask you for an image file to upload or a web URL to your social media pages. The first checkbox you see asks if you would like to include the language translator on your page. If checked, you will see the Google Translator control at the top of your page as shown here. Visitors to your site can select their native language, and the page will then appear in that language. The next checkbox controls whether or not the Equal Housing Opportunity logo appears on your site. When this is checked, the EHO information will appear in the footer of each page of your site. The next four controls are used to optionally include any social media sites that you may have. For example, if you have a Facebook page for your site, you can post the URL for that Facebook page into the Facebook URL entry. Then you can check the box to include the Facebook icon on your page. Social media icons appear in the footer of each page in your site. When a visitor clicks on any of these icons, they are taken to that social media page. If you would like to include a map showing site visitors where they can find your main office, click the Include Map checkbox. The map will appear on your main website page. Users can also click the Map sublink to jump right to your map as shown here. If the Include Contact form is checked, your main page will include a form that site visitors can use to contact you. This can also be accessed by clicking the Contact sublink. When the user clicks the Submit button, an email will be sent to your main contact email, with the contact request entered by the site visitor. For your protection, users must confirm that they are interacting with your website as a human in order to prevent junk and spam emails from bot-driven systems. The Website Content Management dashboard includes a full-featured integrated bid system where you can advertise bids for projects. This is an extensive feature that allows contractors to download bid documents and receive addenda for projects. To enable this for your site, click the Include Bids page option. If you are including features such as a map, a contact page, and public notices, you can optionally include sub-navigation. This will give your site visitor links to quickly access these sections on your main page. We have already seen this in action for the Maps and Contact Form features. You can optionally have all of your main menu items appear in all uppercase. If you check this, your main navigation will appear as shown here. You can update the image on your main page by either clicking the Choose File option or optionally dragging a file from your computer to the control. The recommended size is shown, so it is best if you match your image to those dimensions. Likewise, you can upload a new logo image. Once again, you should match the recommended image dimensions. Once you have finished updating your options, click the Update button to save your changes, or click Back to Dashboard to exit without saving. In this video, we have seen how to customize your site through the Options area. We've also seen how to set your social media sites and how to include features such as maps and contact forms. Thanks for watching.